address / wp-admin. Right, then you'll be able to log into the backend of your website. So username what I have, then my password. So what is this? This is a dashboard, right? Now I covered all these things in the previous session, right? So I already shared the YouTube link, so we can actually review there. Now I'll take you through how to import a sample website. Let us go to the appearance. See, now we have 3 themes, which we don't use this, we can delete it off. So again, I'm going to appearance, themes, click on add new. So there is a feature, there's a popular and latest. So let us get to the popular section. Okay, so let us pick a domain or sorry, a theme, which will give us the some kind of sample content, right? Where it will be easy for us to edit that one. So we tried in the morning, which one we tried was Astra, right? Now this time we'll try this one, Nibi theme. So I can install this theme. It is installed. So let us open from an incognito mode, I am opening the website. So demo dot, right? So it's installed. I'm activating this theme. So theme is activated. This is how our demo website looks like this. So when you launch your website first time, this is how it looks, right? Now, if I refresh this website, see the look and feel, everything is changed from before to now, right? The text, background color, everything. Now let us go back to our admin panel. So compared to the Astra theme, this has a different interface. You can see here. Earlier you are getting that options, right? Where okay, you're getting Astra options here, Nibi options, right? See, it is already telling you congratulations, you have installed, and ready to use. Here they have something called sites library, right? And it is telling try one of our ready to use starter sites. So let us click on that. Now here again you can see here free versus pro. So they are having free version as well as paid version. So when you're using a free version, see header and footer you can edit, page builder, okay, you can come back. Header booster, these are the additional things which is missing in the free version, right? See white label. White label means see I can design a website and give it to you, right? But below it will be showing what powered by these guys. But if I do white label, I can put my own brand name, right? So one of you might have asked me to design a website. So I charge some X amount and given the website, right? When I given the website, you will know that this guy, I mean Prakash has designed using which theme, all the things you will come to know. But if I go with the paid version, right, I can edit that so that you will not come to know which theme I am using because it is designed by me. You will think even the theme, including the theme. That's what it is for any developer or agency out there building websites for their own clients. Right, this is what the white label like this. You have a lot of features and functionalities. So right now we'll try with the free version. So starter sites. So it is asking, see, previously also when we tried Ocean WP or Astra, yeah, 1 second. Yes, Sangababu.
Sir, for suppose if you designed website for me and give it to me, then who will maintain that website, sir?
Who will
maintain that website and suppose stock
it depends on
maintenance, sir.
So it depends, right? For example, now if you give me the maintenance for next 1 year, for if you pay me, right, I can maintain for 1 year. If you say sir, you only maintain it for next 3 years, like that. If you have an agreement, it depends on that.
Okay.
How much I am charging and what all things you need. You don't need support to, for certain things. Maybe if you want to do some edits, only you need me, right?
Yeah.
So maybe you will say, sir, I don't want to take 1 year contract with me. Maybe say per request, right? Maybe after 6 months you want me to do some changes. You will pay me only for the change, and that's it, done.
Okay.
So hosting and all, you will have your own account with your own access, which will be you will be changing the passwords and all for that. Okay, good. Okay, now morning session when we discussed, right? We saw Ocean WP, Astra. It needs additional plugin, right? Like this also needs a one plugin. So it is asking to install and activate it. So I'm clicking on that. So morning, which site what we launched? It is a shopping site, right? I mean e-commerce website. So now, see again, it is asking here which plugin you want to, which editor you want to use. Gutenberg, Elementor, Breezy, Beaver Builder. Like this, you have multiple options here, right? So let us pick Elementor again. Now, morning we done a shopping site, right? So this time let us pick something, or you guys pick something. Okay, don't pick this premium ones because we are not paying, right? We're using a free version. Can we pick Lawyer's website? Maybe you get a requirement from a lawyer to design a website for them. Okay, below all these are plugins. Sorry, paid version. See, this has a bookshop as well. Bookshop. Then this is premium. Pet shop is there. Architectural. Okay, tattoo. Maybe if someone coming to you and asking to you to design a website for tattooing, you can pick from there. So like this, we have a lot of options, right? Let us come to the top. Let me pick the free version, right? See, these are business, blog, like that, category wise. So if you want to blog wise, you can pick. Maybe if you want to launch a blog, which design to be picked. So let us pick the free version. So these all are free. Freelancer. Okay, let us pick the lawyer's website because this will have okay, homepage, contact us, and the law firm, right? 3 pages is there. So it's simple, right? So import starter site. Okay. See, Elementor website builder is required. This is called one plugin called Orbit, it seems. These are the things required. So import entire site. So right now what it is doing the job for us in the backend, installing the plugins, importing the content, everything. This is how our existing website looks like. Wow. See, it is very quick. Why I selected Nivi is lightweight theme, right? It doesn't take much load, and the content is very light. That's why it is happened, so quick, right? Now let me go back here. Now if I refresh your website, so your website is ready with all the things, what all you need. So home page, then you have a about page. So if you, they have content also. Normally this content will be given by what? Sample content, dummy content they'll put, right? But here if you see, they actually maintain the content. Good. Now this is about page. Then what is news, guys? News page means what?
About new developments.
Yes. So in our language, we call it as a blog, right?
Yeah.
That this might be that page. See. So today, if you are launching something, you can, okay, it's already there. So this is a sample blog, right? So that's why it is showing this. Let me delete that. Back to starter sites, close this. I'll go to the post. So it has actually imported some post as well, I believe. Let us see. Yes. So it is imported 1, 2, 3, 4 post. So you can see here what timings, So what I'll do, I'll simply delete off our sample one. So I can select that, come here, move to trash, click apply. Right? So don't worry, it is in the trash folder. If you want to restore, you can do that for time being, right? Not permanently. Now, if I come to the sample website, again, if I go to the news, see, now this is properly aligned because it has a featured image for every post what they created a image there. That's why it is showing properly. Earlier, we have a sample image, sample blog, right? That is not properly given there. There's no featured image. That's why it is not showing properly. Now this one is there. Then contact us page. Right? See, the entire quality is maintained properly. There is no issues at all. And the page also loading so fast. This is actually features of Nivi. If you go and try to find out what is Nivi theme, how different it is compared to other themes, you will get to know. It is very lightweight and see, very easy to use. Now again, if I want to edit anything, I can simply come here, go to the pages, home page, edit with Elementor.
Prakash, I have a doubt. How do we decide to go for a Nivi? Is it based on the number of pages or the number of the content?
You asking the free or paid version?
Even a paid version.
No, there is nothing. There is no limit of how many pages you have or nothing as such. See, the paid version means you will get the support when you need.
Okay.
Right. For example, if there is some issue,
yeah.
When it's a paid version, you'll get the immediate support because they are supposed to support you.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll show you. We are using, we have this paid version.
Yeah.
If I have an issue, right? I will just have to come here and text them saying that, this is my customer ID, this is my email ID, and I'm having so and so problem. These guys will immediately, like maybe in hours time, they'll get back to us.
Okay.
Right. Even if it is not able to, if you're not able to fix it yourself, you have to provide credentials to them.
Okay. Login credentials.
They will start helping you immediately.
Okay.
Right. Of course, it depends on the calls, how, what time you're reporting and all. And these guys have support across, support executives are across countries. So most of the time you'll get the support. Okay. This is one of the major difference between the other themes and this one. So we use a theme called Divi, and this is like superb support they provide.
Okay. Divi and Nivi both are same or different?
No. Divi is different, Nivi is different.
But both are same.
Sounding similar, but Divi is from the company called Elegant Themes.
Okay.
The other one is from a different company.
Okay, both. Nivi is the theme, Divi also a theme.
Nivi also a theme, yes.
Okay.
So these guys have different products actually. See, Divi has a theme they have one more called Magazine Extra. Extra is called a magazine theme. They have a builder plugin. That means right now we are using Elementor, right? To edit the website. These guys have their own editor. It is called Divi Builder. Okay. Now there is one more thing called normally if I want to get your contact details, right? I have to request you for you have to go their contact page and you have to fill the details, right? Here what happens is I can actually put a one pop-up here. One pop-up comes if you are in this website for more than 10 to 15 seconds, right? Then you'll get a pop-up. That pop-up, I can use this one, Bloom email opt-in plugin. Like this, these are the different products by Elegant Themes. So related to all this, if you have a paid version, you can get a support from here. So same way, like each and every product, right? They have a free, they have a paid version. Some of the companies, right? They don't have a free version at all. So for example, Divi theme don't have a free version. You have to go for a paid version only. Right? And they have a two plans. One is yearly. You pay yearly $90 and you can get this, or else you pay $249 one shot and take how many years you want. Like 5 years, 6 years. see, I'm using for past 2 years, right? Anytime any support is required, I have to just create the request. How it will work and all, we'll be discussing that. Fine. But how you will decide the free and paid is how critical your website is. See, when I'm using Nivi free version, and if I'm putting a critical website or critical application you are running here, suddenly some problem happens, right? You will not get a support from the company directly. You have to depend on someone like, some community.
Okay.
From there, you cannot get support, immediate support, right?
Okay.
There, the brand reputation will be a problem. So you have to think, if you are expert on it, then yes, you can go ahead and use it. Now, suddenly if website crashes, what is the two things you can do? One is either you call them for support. Second is you have a recent backup, restore it, and get that up and running.
Okay.
Right. So like that, if you have a plan, backup plan, you have a good control over the domain or the design parameters and all, then yes, you can use a free version.
Okay.
There is nothing like, these many pages only you can create. There is nothing as such.
Yeah, now even for web, for backup also, we have to buy some storage, right?
It depends, right? Again, it depends
Based
on
on the data, right?
exactly. That's based on, see, for example, if you're uploading so much data, right? Maybe you're launched a web application like, say, clicking photos and uploading it.
Okay.
Now you have today 10 users are uploading photos. Tomorrow 100 users are registered in your website. Now 100 users continuously clicking and uploading it.
Okay.
Where are you storing that data? That will become a concern for us.
Okay.
So then you have to have a proper storage and all.
Okay.
Right. So yes, when you doing a live thing, you will be able to get to know. Don't worry. Yes.
Okay.
So now if I want to edit this page, right? Simply I can click on here and I can start editing from here, or else see, practices you have to edit from here. Okay. Best. Maybe something like this, right? It is too much. Don't get scared, guys. Okay, best advocates in India, right? So you changed it. So this sorry. If you want to edit this or size how you want, alignment how you want, all these things we can do it here. Right? See, property offenses. If you want to change this icon, all these things we can do. So basically, you have a website launched for you already. Right? So you will design your own logo. You'll put it here. You'll take out this name. That's all. So this is called using a starter template. Gayatri, you getting it? Okay. So now going back to the dashboard again. Now I shown you one thing, right? Now if I want to create my own pages, right? In my own way, how can I do that? So let us practice that. So again, I'm going to appearance. Okay, first let me do a reset here. Reset, how will you do? How you can reset your website?
My screen is not